In this video, I will reveal my new business name. Just trademarked it, so it's official. And this is the first video where I announce it. For the past couple of years, you probably have seen my underlayment with the Roofing Insights logo on it. The reason behind it is very simple. Roofing Insights is the name of the YouTube channel and my brand, but obviously it's not underlayment name. We just did not have one. So if you would buy, Good Deal custom logo underlayment, it would come with your logo. But if you would come something in bulk, you would get actually with the Roofing Insights logo, because that's the only name we have available. By the way, I have 4 pallets left here in Minneapolis. If you want a great deal under $40 a roll, you can come and pick it up. But anyway, so I've been searching for a good name for underlayment, because we actually have a couple patents pending on our new products. We have great deal on ice and water, high temperature, very high quality, premium synthetic felt, and regular top seller 100 GSM synthetic felt. All of those products will have a new name now. Here's the logo. Mercy trademark. So roofers, we got you covered. Mercy will forgive your roofing sins. If you make a mistake on a job, Mercy got you covered. I absolutely love this name. I think it's one of the best business names I ever came up with. It's official, it's trademark. I have very good trademark lawyer. We have quite a few products, so we're actually ordering first couple containers of products with Mercy on it. Looks dope, looks very cool on a product. So we will have stock in 4 different markets. We will have stock in Atlanta, in Pittsburgh, we'll have stock in Florida, and we'll have stock in Minneapolis with Mercy products. So you can come and pick it up, half a pallet, smaller quantities. Our average sale is about $15,000. Most people buy at least 6 pallets. I believe we sold 2 today. 6 pallets, 56 rolls a pallet with your logo, cost about $13,500. Huge savings for everyone. So we also have ice and water, and we have high temperature. If you want to get started, I do my own sales. I sell a couple $100,000 of underlayment every month now. And all you have to do is just text me. I'll put my number below and get some Mercy. And for my competition, we're not going to show no mercy to you, because we're not the cheapest. Here's the thing about our philosophy. My vision for this business is I say no to a lot of products. We could have 100 SKUs. So what we do, sell few things, but the things we sell are the highest quality. I will never put my name on something that might fail, might bring our reputation down. So there's no subpar quality. There are people who sell it cheaper, 10%, 15% cheaper. It's not a race to the bottom for us. We will sell the highest quality. I will sell very few products. 4 products I sell now, my best sellers, they're the best in class. And apples to apples, nobody can compete with those. So every roll is exactly 10 squares. Every ice and water roll is exactly 2 squares. So there's no, shortcuts in quality, or, I put my name on it. I say no to a lot of factories who wants to work with us, because I have greatest quality control in the industry. This business is not as simple as people think. You can definitely go and find a manufacturer overseas for you, but you have to figure out logistics. You have to do so many things, to get it to you. So we take care of all logistics, customs. The prices we give you includes taxes, includes delivery to your door. So get some Mercy. If you want a Mercy on your roof that forgives your roofer's mistakes, that's our new name. What do you guys think about new name? What do you think about the logo? I'm curious how the market gonna perceive it. Comment below.